This application reads a Gmail account at a set period, say every 10 minutes, and looks for unread emails with a defined title and from a defined sender. When the application makes a sweep and finds a match, it will access the email content and then update an Excel spreadsheet, an Access database and an OpenOffice Calc spreadsheet on your desktop PC with the contents of the email. It will then set the Gmail message as being read and send a message to the notification area on the lower right of your taskbar. This example will read a new customer entry completed via an online form. The destination folders on the desktop are this OpenOffice Calc spreadsheet, this Access database, and this Excel workbook. We'll wait for the email to be received in Gmail before beginning the sweep. I'll just refresh the Gmail. Not there yet. There it is. And the sweep time is set for immediate. There we go. The notification pop-up should appear shortly down in the lower right. There we are. I'll just refresh the Gmail account to show the message has been set to read, and let's check the desktop folder. Here's the new customer in OpenOffice Calc. The system finds the first empty line, increments the last customer number, and then enters the relevant data. Here's the Access database. The customer number is on auto number in this one. And this is the Excel workbook. That's a similar insert routine to the OpenOffice spreadsheet.